7 skills that will make you rich in the next 5 years. Hold open. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with no college degree, no rich parents, and no special connections is quietly building wealth, while people with better resumes stay stuck. The difference isn't luck. It isn't timing. It's skills, specific, learnable skills that happen to be worth a fortune in the next 5 years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 7 skills are about to explode in value, why each one pays, and the fastest way to start learning them, even if you're starting from zero tonight. Let's get into it. AI prompting and AI orchestration. The first skill is AI prompting and orchestration. Basically, knowing how to direct AI tools to do real work for you. Here's why this matters. AI models are becoming incredibly powerful, but most people use them like a toy, asking one question, getting one answer, moving on. The people getting rich from AI are doing something different. They're chaining tools together, building workflows, and using AI to do the job of 5 employees. Companies are desperate for people who can bridge the gap between AI exists and AI actually saves us money. That's not a coding job, it's a thinking job. If you can break a messy business problem into steps an AI can execute, you are instantly valuable. Start small. Pick one repetitive task you do weekly and figure out how to automate 80% of it using an AI tool. Do that 10 times, and you'll have a portfolio most people don't have. Copywriting and persuasive communication. The second skill is copywriting, the ability to write words that make people act. Every business, no matter what it sells, has the same bottleneck: getting people to pay attention and then say yes. Ads, emails, landing pages, video scripts. Someone has to write them. And good copy can 2 times or 10 times how much money a business makes from the exact same traffic. This skill barely changes with technology. AI can draft copy, but someone still needs to know what makes copy work: psychology, structure, timing, and then steer the AI or fix what it gets wrong. That person gets paid extremely well. The fastest way to learn: study ads that have run for months or years without stopping. If a company keeps paying to show the same ad, it's making them money. Break down why it works, then imitate the structure with your own words. Sales. Third skill, and maybe the most underrated, sales. Every single high-income skill on this list is worthless if nobody buys what you're offering. Sales is the skill that turns every other skill into money. And contrary to the stereotype, great sales isn't about being pushy. It's about understanding what someone actually needs and removing the friction between them and a good decision. People who can sell never worry about job security, because a person who can bring in revenue is always in demand. Recession or not. AI or not. This is one of the few skills that becomes more valuable, not less, as more of the economy gets automated. Practice this by selling something small, anything, face-to-face, or on a call. The skill transfers to everything: negotiating a raise, pitching a business idea, or closing a client. Building with no-code/low-code tools. Fourth, building digital products and tools without traditional programming, using no-code and low-code platforms. 5 years ago, building an app or an automated business system required hiring developers or learning to code for months. Today, tools let one person build what used to take a small team: websites, apps, automated workflows, internal business tools, often in days. This matters because it collapses the cost of starting something. A single person with this skill can build a product, test it, and sell it without waiting on anyone. Businesses will pay well for people who can rapidly prototype and ship internal tools without a full engineering team. Pick one no-code platform, build one small working project, a booking system, a simple app, an automated form, and you'll understand more than 95% of people who only talk about building online. Short-form video and content creation. Fifth, short-form video creation. The ability to make content that holds attention in the first 3 seconds. Attention is the most valuable currency of the next 5 years. Every business, personal brand, and product needs someone who understands hooks, pacing, and storytelling for short video. This isn't about looking pretty on camera, it's a craft. Structure, timing, editing rhythm, and knowing what makes someone stop scrolling. People with this skill get hired by brands, get paid to run other people's channels, or build their own audience and monetize it directly through products, sponsorships, or services. Start by studying, not copying, 10 videos in a niche you like. Write down exactly what happens in the first 3 seconds of each one. That pattern is the actual skill. Data literacy and basic analysis. Sixth, data literacy. Being comfortable reading numbers, spotting patterns, and making decisions based on evidence instead of guesses. You don't need to become a data scientist. You need to be the person in the room who can look at a spreadsheet or a dashboard and say, here's what's actually happening, and here's what we should do about it. That person gets promoted. That person gets trusted with bigger decisions and bigger budgets. As more tasks get automated, judgment becomes the scarce resource. And judgment is only as good as the data behind it. Someone who can read numbers clearly, without getting fooled by misleading charts or vanity metrics, will always out-earn someone who can't. Start with the numbers already in front of you. Your own spending, your business's sales, your content's engagement. Practice asking why one layer deeper than everyone else does. Negotiation. Seventh and last, negotiation. This is the quiet skill nobody talks about, but it compounds more than almost anything else on this list. Every raise, every deal, every contract, every purchase. The outcome depends partly on skill, not just circumstances. 2 people with identical qualifications can end up with wildly different financial outcomes over a decade, purely because one of them knew how to negotiate and the other didn't. The good news, negotiation is learnable. It's not about being aggressive. It's about preparation, patience, and understanding what the other side actually values. Practice in low-stakes situations. A bill, a price at a market, a small work request, before you need it for something big. The muscle transfers. Recap and close. Let's recap the 7 skills. 1. AI prompting and orchestration. 2. Copywriting. 3. Sales. 4. No-code building. 5. Short-form video creation. 6. Data literacy. 7. Negotiation. Notice something about this list. None of these require a specific degree, and none of them are locked behind gatekeepers. They're all learnable, starting today, with free resources and a bit of consistent practice. The people who'll be wealthy 5 years from now aren't waiting for permission. They're stacking 2 or 3 of these skills right now, quietly, while everyone else is still deciding where to start. If this was useful, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and let me know in the comments which of these 7 skills you're starting with first.